Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2020 Lexus LS 500 sedan. It's featured in Eminent white pearl exterior with a parchment leather interior that is just really a nice interior. This example is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis, Missouri, with a sticker price of $88,900. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Trey. His information is listed below. Here we see the dual exhaust. We also get a nice tight look at the LS badging for the LS 500. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle. As we move down the passenger side of the vehicle, it has power heated, power folding side mirrors. There we get a great look at the 20-inch split 10-spoke alloy wheels wrapped with 245/45R 20-inch tires. Really a nice looking wheel. Here we see the auto high beam headlamps, delay off headlamps with headlamp cleaning. As we dive into the interior, here's that gorgeous leather seats, and you can see the dash as well as the power moonroof as we slide around to the front driver's seat. Driver and passengers area. I love the armrest on the doors in the front driver and passenger seat, the way it's separated from the door. Really impressive. We'll show more of that on the driver's side as we tilt back and get a great look at the interior cabin. So we have backup camera, dynamic guidelines, one-touch up and down windows, one-touch power tilt and slide moonroof, heated front and rear seats. Here's the rear compartment. We have an additional power port for the rear occupants. Again, the back seats are heated, front are heated and vented front seats. Here we see a wonderful dash shot from door to door. Center console as we tilt back and show the power moonroof. There again as the driver controls on the door. Again, they're separated from the door. Really a neat feature. There you can see the vented front seats. Leather wrapped, wood trimmed, heated steering wheel with the fingertip controls. Power tilt, telescoping steering wheel. Here again we see the one touch up and down with the memory seats, memory mirrors and memory seat, memory telescoping steering wheel for the driver. Power rear hatch, paddle shift, fingertip controls, again the wood trim on the steering wheel. The center stack, dual zone climate control, push button start, electronic parking brake. Here's the center console. I know I show this on every one of these Lexus, but they're so fascinating the way they open. To me, it's fascinating the way the center console opens from both sides. The engineering had to be pretty impressive on that. Additional power ports in the center console. Owner's manual in the glove box. Navigation. Mark Levinson audio package with 23 speaker premium sound. Drive mode select. We'll show more. We'll show the drive mode select here in a minute. Cup holders here. Blind spot monitor with cross traffic alert. Intuitive parking assist. Lexus Enform safety. Lexus Enform service connect. Messaging driver massaging driver lumbar support. Power driver and passenger front seats. Here's the driver mode select as we punch through that, and the navigation. Going through the drive mode select, there you can see it as well. And so it shows up on the center stack, but it also shows up in the driver's instrument cluster. Here we punch through that functionality as well. Paddle shifters, Fingertip controls for the steering wheel. So here's the trunk. We have all-weather floor mats, cargo mat for and trunk tray for the trunk. The first aid kit. We have 15.8 cubic feet of storage, and there's the power trunk. As far as the engine's concerned, it's a 3.5 liter V6 engine, 416 horsepower, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, 18 city, 27 highway. There's the forward-facing cameras on the Lexus 500 LS. Really a nice engine compartment.